Nearly every guitar player out there wants to be able to play fast. They want that speed. And then if you go and ask most guitar teachers, they'll say, you need to be born with it. You just have to have a gift. And that is just not true. It wasn't until I discovered downward pink slanting that everything changed for me. So if you are a guitar player that wants to be able to play fast, this video is for you. I got to give it up to Troy Grady. He was the inventor and the pioneer of this science behind discovering what makes players fast and what makes them not so fast. So when he did his analysis and when I took his course, I realized I had been playing wrong, and I bet you have been picking wrong as well. So let's just start off with the basics. With your pick, it should be at least a 0.73 millimeter thickness. You can literally see on the pick, it'll say in writing what the thickness is. Let's start with the problem, what you are probably doing right now. And I'm going to turn this guitar right here. You are probably picking back and forth, and you pick down, and then you're stuck in between the strings. See that? You're literally stuck in between the strings. Now, what downward pick slanting says is I can go down, I'm stuck, but then up, I'm free. So I'm literally at this angle that allows me to go down, I'm stuck, up, I'm free. Down, I'm stuck, up, I'm free. So what that means in practice and how you can start utilizing that is that you can do 2 note per string pentatonic runs, and you can do 2 note per string runs and do down, you're stuck, up, you're free. So if it sounded like this, let's just play a pentatonic scale down. It'll look like this, a B flat pentatonic. It'll look like this. But you could see down, I'm stuck, up, I'm free. 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 And then you could start developing speed. And then the bonus to this is you can start using chunks, which is little bite-sized pieces of information, kind of like if you're playing a video game and you just entered in a little code, a cheat code. Your brain doesn't remember after a while that entire cheat code. It just literally remembers, I needed to go turbo. So we're going turbo right now. And what you can do is do this little riff. It's a 6-note chunk, which sounds like this. And then you repeat it. So it literally starts right here. And then you repeat it. And it's literally following the B flat pentatonic down the scale. And that's a way you could start implementing this downward pick slanting into your playing. You're probably asking, okay, what happens if you have a downstroke and then have to skip a string and do another downstroke? There's a couple solves for this. One is just literally doing a pull off. So if it was like 3 note per string, like a down, up, down, instead of doing that last downstroke to get you trapped, you could just do a pull off like that. And then you've probably never considered the angle of your pick since it's such a small little detail, but really those little tiny millimeters can make all the difference in the world, especially when you're playing at really fast gospel praise break tempos, 155, 160, up to 170. If you want to stop being intimidated by those speeds and really blaze through and shine at those speeds, this is how you do it. And if you want to learn even more about fast gospel guitar, I have a course that I'll link in the description. Now that you've mastered this skill, you're going to want to check out this video so that you can play even faster and with more precision.